Hey people, what's going on? It's your boy Richard here. I'm just making a quick video showing you a current trade I'm in right now. As you can see, it's just fluctuating. I ended the trade twice, it's two entries basically, and you can see my take profit is at 1.3150. So that's what I'm trying to take profit at. It's something that I just want to show people because some people are asking me how come I could go out so much and basically eat at any restaurant I want. Wonder why I could just go take friends out, or I could always take my daughter out to eat and stuff like that. We just pick random restaurants. We don't even care how much we eat, or actually care how much we eat because we're not trying to get fat. But I'm just saying, as in what we eat. If we don't like it, I just throw it in the garbage, and or like one restaurant I went to, I didn't like what I ate, and I ordered something else, and I was like, well, I guess they thought that that I didn't want to pay for it because I didn't like it. I'm like, nah, I already know. I ordered it. I didn't like it. It wasn't nothing wrong with it. So of course I'm gonna pay for the food I ordered first, but I'm also gonna order something different because that's what I'm gonna eat, and I'm throwing this in the trash. They didn't realize that it was all shocked and amazed and stuff like that. But people want to, how come you can eat whatever you want? Just imagine if you made, like right now I'm up $183, but this is going to end up being over $200. So just imagine you do three trades, 3 days out of the week, you make $200 on those days. So you make an extra $600 a week. With doing that, you can basically eat at any restaurant you want every week. You know, because you're not gonna eat out every week, every day. I know, like I don't eat out every day because I like home cooked food better than restaurant food anyway. But other than that, like weekends when I go out on the weekend or whatever, if I eat out the entire day on Saturday and Sunday, I just eat out whatever I want. Like even like say some places like there's a all you can eat seafood buffet down in Orlando. I think it's like how much is it? I think it's like $55 or $60 a person to go eat there. I'll go eat there. Some people think it's expensive. I don't think so. Or I went and ate at Maggiano's or whatever for two people. What we ate or whatever. The bill came out to like $130 for two people. If you would just be wondering, how in the hell do you be? Because that's I make money from trading. You don't necessarily have to become rich from trading in the forex market. You just don't. Of course, I don't work. Of course, so I quit my job. I do this full time. I do have other accounts or whatever. This is like one of my smaller accounts or whatever, my spending account that I could take money from out of and just spend whenever I want or whatever. It doesn't go into bills or anything. This just goes to whatever I want to buy or whatever. Anytime I want to buy something that's small around time. So I have actually three accounts. I have an account that pays most of my bills. I have an account that has my growth, and then I have a spending account. So this is like a spending account that just pays little things here and there. So just imagine like if you are trading, you're basically making $600 a week. That's $2,400 a month. So of spending money, $2,400 a month in spending money. So just imagine what you could do with that. You can do a lot with that because your bills are paid from another account. So I've been going ahead and trying to build this account a little bit bigger. So I'm thinking about building this account to at least 15,000. So when I'm making money from off the account itself, let's see, what is it? Basically, But $15,000 account, if I make a 30% gain in a month, that will be my spending money. I have $4,500 in spending money monthly. So that's the reason why I'm thinking about growing the account to a larger size. I have a larger spending amount, which that'll actually allow me, because like I said, I have another account for bills and the other account for compounding. But this has allowed me to do a little bit more than I usually do. So I'm planning on, like, say if I want to go spend 2 months in Hawaii, this could that'll be able to allow me to do that, because I could be able to go there, get an Airbnb for about 2 months, and just chill while I'm there. And of course, I'll be trading while I'm there. So I'll take my laptop and I'll keep trading and take a lot of pictures, just hang out there and stuff like that. So that's why I'm really thinking about pushing this account or whatever. So I don't spend as much these days. I still spend a lot, but I try not to spend as much these days. I'm trying to have some growth. Every time I pull money out, I'll make sure I have growth. So now if I have growth on the account, I can push it to 15,000 and go to Hawaii, or even go spend like a month or whatever in Japan. And I want to spend another month in Korea also. So Japan, Hawaii, Korea. That's what I want to go spend some time. But anyway, just want to make this video to show people it's not all about making $500, $600 a day, stuff like that. It's just about what you're trying to get out of your own trading account. That's all it is. Is what do you want out of your own trading account? I know people that just want to make $1,000 a month total, and they'll be happy and getting what they get or whatever. It supplements their income. They have jobs. They still have jobs or whatever, so they'll still be working, and then they're making uh they're making extra $1,000 a month. They're cool with that, because you got to remember, $1,000 a month with some people that could pay their mortgage. They could pay car payments. So like if you had a car or whatever, even like say you want to buy a BMW, or even if you want to buy a Tesla, if you made an extra $1,000 a month from your trading, you can actually pay for your Tesla. So it all depends on you. Depends on what you want. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. As always, let's keep making money. Peace.